I'm real heartbroken because this is a lot of work. This is more than a week's work here. We have sand also not on the outside, but on the inside of the shop.
Hurricane Beryl on the move after battering the island of Jamaica overnight. Faith Abube is live on the ground in one of the hardest hit areas. Good morning, Faith.
Hey, good morning to you, Rebecca. Just come over here and take a look. It's a bit of an obstacle course trying to get around parts of the island this morning. Road crews are trying as quickly as possible to clear the area. There are downed trees, dangling power lines. The electric company says at the height of the storm, hundreds of thousands of people were in the dark.
Overnight, Hurricane Beryl slamming Jamaica, wreaking havoc across the Caribbean nation as a Category 4 with winds up to 140 miles per hour, knocking down power in much of Kingston.
Here in Montego Bay, we're really in the thick of it right now. The outer bands lashing the area, rain pouring in as the winds intensify.
Extensive damage reported across the island.
We are trying to create single-lane traffic so vehicles.
Cleanup crews rushing to clear roads from falling trees, many roads submerged. So far, Beryl's deadly path killing at least 7 people in the Caribbean. Jamaica's prime minister saying the island had not seen the worst of Beryl yet, with nearly 500 people placed in shelters.
I have no control over what is coming, so I just have to pray that all people of Jamaica is safe.
Many Americans hunkering down in hotels and vacation rentals.
We are tired and we are hungry and we're really ready to get out of here.
New
with that dangerous heat, wildfires continue to rage in Northern California. Nearly 30,000 people in the city of Oroville forced to evacuate. The Thompson fire destroying homes and structures in its path. Several firefighters injured while battling the flames. ABC's Mola Lenghi is in California.
Tonight, the quick-moving Thompson fire near Oroville raging in Northern California. More than 3,500 acres scorched so far with 0% containment.
We just bought our house in Kelly Ridge, so fingers are crossed that everything will be there when this is over. So,
cars, homes, and structures reduced to rubble. The inferno forcing nearly 30,000 residents from their homes, as more than 1,400 personnel worked around the clock to extinguish the flames. That massive blaze fueled by dry, windy conditions, coupled with a crippling heat wave. At least 8 firefighters injured. It comes as dangerously high temperatures tighten their grip on the west. That heat taking the life of a 10-year-old boy in Phoenix on Tuesday after he had to be airlifted off a hiking trail. Temperatures that day soaring to 110 degrees.
It is deadly. I've hiked in Canada and everywhere, but the heat in Phoenix hit me in a different kind of way than anywhere else.
Well, with that extreme heat now triggering some alerts, including here in the LA area, those dry, gusty winds now helping spread this brush fire in Simi Valley, about an hour from where we are here. Firefighters racing to put out those flames. Some homes there now under evacuation orders, and some structures are also being threatened with.
All right, Mola Lenghi for us. Thank you.